7 Interesting Facts About Dogs. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a small dog breed that is known for its affectionate and gentle nature. The Mastiff is one of the largest dog breeds and was originally bred to be a guard dog. The Scottish Terrier, or Scottie, is a small dog breed that was originally bred for hunting rodents. The English Bulldog is a medium-sized dog breed that was originally bred for bull baiting. The Border Collie is a highly intelligent dog breed that was originally bred for herding sheep. The Rottweiler is a large dog breed that was originally bred to herd livestock and pull carts. The Whippet is a medium-sized dog breed that was originally bred for racing. For more information about dogs, don't forget to like and subscribe.